Hi, welcome back to Homegrown Heirloom. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video on how to make your own oat milk because it's really not all that hard. I was about to order some from, I think it was from Costco because they had it in bulk and I thought, well, it was good enough price. But when I was looking at the ingredients, even though it was organic, they still had other things added into it, and I just wanted pure oat milk. So I thought it can't be that hard to make. So I looked it up and I saw some simple recipes there. Basically, all you have to do is take some oats, which I purchased in bulk. You should take about 5 to 6 times as much water as you add oats and blend it up for about 30 seconds. You can add a little bit of sugar, vanilla, salt, or leave it plain. And then just strain it out. If I'm using my oat milk to make smoothies, then I don't strain it out. I just leave the oats in there. You won't notice it anyways. But if you're using it on cereal or something like that, it actually comes out looking like milk very quickly. It's really surprising how well this works. But yeah, oat milk is just oat and water, and you can make it yourself easily, cheaply. Make sure it's organic and no additives if you don't want anything else in there. So I do recommend making it yourself. I usually make it fresh every morning because it does settle. Even if you strain it out, it settles. So if it's in the fridge for even an hour, you will have to shake it up a little bit first, but I think it's worth it. So let me know how it goes for you and what you decided to add to it, if anything at all.